What is direct-to-garment, or DTG? The way I like to tell people or explain this technology is, think of it as like your desktop inkjet printer at home on crack. In other words, it's an industrial inkjet printer designed specifically to print onto shirts. One of the biggest myths that I hear and have heard at trade shows is that direct-to-garment is going to replace screen printing completely. The reality of this is it's not going to do that quite yet. Both direct-to-garment and screen printing play an important role in the garment decorating industry. One is not going to replace the other. They both help the entire industry grow and get bigger because we now have more options available to us in how we decorate our garments. Direct-to-garment is great for achieving instant gratification, as I prefer to call it. You can go from an artist concept to a finished garment within a few minutes easily. And it could be 1,000 colors in that design and full photorealistic. On the other hand, to try and achieve a one-off full-color photographic image quality type product in screen printing would take hours of setup, screen prep, color separations, on-press setup, as well as reclaiming those screens. The reality of all this with direct-to-garment is that DTG is here to stay. It's not going to replace screen printing, but it is a valuable addition to our toolbox of our decorating methods, allowing us a lot more versatility and opening new doors and avenues of the way we do business. Shorter runs, faster turnaround times, full color stuff, low or no inventory, the virtual store where you could have 10,000 designs on your website and no printed inventory. That is an incredible financial advantage that direct-to-garment offers over screen printing. So the reality is direct-to-garment is here to stay. It's going to continue to grow in popularity, and as time goes by, it's going to narrow that gap between DTG and screen printing and the cost effectiveness of doing both. Is it going to happen overnight? Absolutely not. This is the reality of the situation and the truth. Direct-to-garment is here to stay. It's not going anywhere, and it's exciting to be a part of it right now because you can make money in direct-to-garment, but you need a good plan.